no!
I can't even believe I did that.
Oh no!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're enjoying this lovely view. Hey, you know those little small waves?
Yeah.
I wonder if fish have surfboards and fish on and surf on those waves.
I would imagine.
I wonder if there's like little surfing minnows.
That'd be sweet.
That'd be epic.
I mean, I'm sure there's fish that ride the top of the wave.
Fuck yeah, there's gotta be surfing fucking fish.
Look at that hornet.
Oh. Whoa.
Pretty large.
Whoa. You want to start walking back after that? And then we can bring this video to a closing while walking up those scary stairs.
Oh yeah.
The scary ones up there. The ones that we're scared of. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this nature walk, quite a bit different than our last nature walk. It's okay though. This is what we do. Because we're pretty much fucking epic. I'm not gonna get too close to the water with my good shoes. I should probably back up though, because the water did come up here. Noods tried to write J-Cron and Noods, but it didn't work because the water's stupid. Oh, there's another one of those posts that you can tie a boat up to. I think that's what those are for. If we're wrong, don't be afraid to call us out and tell us we're wrong. We don't mind. We don't mind. Well, there was no wildlife out here except for maybe a couple bugs and a hornet that just flew by. Noods has to pee. Noods is having a tinklage. Noods is having a tinklage. It's coming from his Peter Dinklage. I don't know, people. Some of the shit we say, some of the shit we do, we're pretty fucked up. How about you? Man, this video is long. 36 minutes. This is definitely going to be our longest video ever yet so far. Had a hard time spitting that out. And hey, you know what? If PewDiePie is allowed to make fucking dumb fucking videos and get a bunch of millions of fucking views and subscribers, then we're allowed to make dumb videos too. PewDiePie, I'm not saying I don't like your videos. Your videos are pretty funny. Shout out PewDiePie. Congrats on all the subscribers.
You know who else I like?
Who?
I don't know his name, but he does a bunch of these videos with, I'm pretty sure they're set up.
Yeah.
But with his girlfriend that he calls Elizabeth. And he like does this stupid...
How did...
What the fuck?
When did this happen? This wasn't like this.
I don't remember this.
Oh man, I'm not going across that water with these shoes. Hell no. Yo. Shit.
Hold on.
Oh, we're good thanks to the Noods. I was all worried about getting your face there.
There's a person.
There's a person?
There's a person.
Oh, there's a person.
And I'm wearing a mask.
Who cares?
Where's the stairs?
They're coming up. Because they were before the wooden stairs. Yeah, because remember this tire? Big log, the water's coming out.
I got a big log. It ain't water that comes out.
You can go ahead and call that a poop log. I see the stairs. Oh! I saved that.
Motherfucker.
I am golden, ladies and gents. We're coming up to the creepy ass fucking stairs now. Look at these fucking things.
Yeah.
So I'm just keeping my eyes on the stairs. Almost at the top. Oh, back up on flat land. There's Noods.
It?
Whew. So that was our little adventure down at the beach. Whew. A little dark and creepy in there.
Pretty car.
That
Wonder
is-
who's getting in that car.
Yeah, I wonder who's driving that.
Looks sexy as fuck.
Does look like a nice car.
Those fucking stairs took my breath.
Yeah.
Holy.
Take my breath away.
I do physical work all day. I feel like a fucking idiot right now.
And the hill's just getting steeper.
That's a pretty nice fucking car.
Hyundai Genesis.
Yeah. Looks like a 2016.
Looks like one of those nice cars
Yeah.
that people drive.
Pretty sexy.
Well, there's my workout for the next year. All right, so
I'm gonna put the windows down.
that was our second Noods Nature walk featuring yours truly, Jay Cron. And of course,
Nude.
the one and only motherfucking Noods.
You know it.
What's that shirt say?
It says, you read my shirt. That's enough social interaction for today.
Now piss off. All right, say goodbye to our friends.
Bye, friends.
So we'll be catching you guys in the next video.
Right.
Stay tuned
Taking
for
us
some
off.
stay tuned for some more Hot Wheels videos coming up. Stay tuned for some more J-Cron and Friends bullshit. Thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Smack it.
Fucking smack it hard, as Noods just said. Hit that like button. Feel free to comment. Bring on the hate comments too, y'all. I don't even care, honestly. Bring on. What?
Why do they hate it?
Why? No, I'm just saying, like, because you know there's gonna be people out there that don't like our stupid, pointless videos. Like, I'm talking right now and I'm just showing them a picture of signs and trees. But hey,
I got a buddy who, we'll shout him out. He'll like that. Crew Clothing. He's got a theory and it says behind every successful person lies a pack of haters.
that's true.
So bring
That's
on
true.
the fucking haters.
And they hate us because they ain't us.
Yeah.
And
And I'll stick it in their anus.
so yeah, thanks for watching. If you stuck around for the full 40 fucking 3 minutes, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.